Hey, today I'm going to show you how to access information from another CMTK using the new OPC UA feature. For this, you will need to have two or more CMTKs connected on the same network. Let's get started. So here I have CMTK demo 1 and CMTK demo 2. So we'll be reading data from CMTK demo 1 and passing it into CMTK demo 2. So on the CMTK demo 1, you want to click on settings, go to OPC UA server, toggle the OPC UA active button. Here we're going to leave the authentication as anonymous. You could choose to add a password if necessary. Then select save. Now we're going to access the second CMTK. You want to go to settings, and here you want to select OPC UA client. Then you want to toggle OPC UA client active. And here as the example shows, you want to enter opc.tcp // then the IP address of the CMTK where you will be accessing the information from, followed by /4840. Then you want to select add node. Here you'll want to enter the information for the process data you want to read. The following syntax is very important. If not done correctly, this will not work. So in my case, I'm trying to read port 1 Y vibration from a BCM sensor on the very first CMTK. To find the node ID I'm about to use, you can utilize software such as UA Expert. By connecting the UA Expert software to the CMTK server, you're then able to see what is connected to each port. By selecting a port, here we're going to select port 1, you're able to see the process data which the OPC UA is able to access. In this instant, we're going to click on vibration Y. Then on the right hand side, you're able to see the node ID. This is a node ID we're going to use for the CMTK client. Click the check, select save. If done correctly, the status will change to connected. Now we're just going to reinitialize our visualization data. There you have it. You're reading information from the first CMTK device. Thanks for watching.